I've already shown you how well this cloth lifts and removes everything from the surface. Now I'm going to prove to you that it removes 99% of bacteria from the surface with just water alone. So I have our counter cloth, it's our Norwex microfiber with just water added. I have some raw chicken that I'm going to smear all over the surface. Wipe my fingers off. Now, first thing I'm going to do is show you with this Proclean swab. This swab will detect protein and bacteria on the surface. And all I need to do is rub it. And you can see it instantly starts to turn gray. According to this chart, green is clean, gray through purple means that there's protein evident. And as this sits, it will get even more dark. All right, now I'm going to take Norwex microfiber, and all I need to do is wipe it like that. Now I'm going to take a new swab, rub it all around that surface, and it is instantly clean. Look at this.